How to fix package installer keeps stopping problem Android. If you're encountering the frustrating issue where the package installer keeps stopping on an Android phone, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to install an app or update your system, this problem can be a real headache. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly, so let's get into it. Before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly explain what the package installer has stopped error means. This error usually happens when your phone is having trouble installing apps or updates. It could be related to a variety of reasons like app data issues, system glitches, or even corrupted files. But no worries, there are several ways to resolve it. The first and simplest fix is to restart your phone. Sometimes all your phone needs is a little refresh to get rid of temporary glitches that might be causing this error. Press and hold the power button, select restart from the options, and wait for the phone to reboot. And then try reinstalling or updating the app again. A simple restart can clear out small bugs and help resolve many system issues, so this is always a good first step. If restarting didn't work, the next step is to clear the cache and data for the package installer. Go to settings and simply go to apps and scroll down and find package installer. It might also be called package installer system. Tap on storage and then select clear cache and clear data. Restart your phone and check if the error is resolved. Other common cause for this error is insufficient storage space. If your phone is running low on space, it might be able to process it app installations properly. Go to settings and go back and find storage. If you're running low on storage, simply delete unnecessary files, apps, or photos to free up space. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix the package installer has stopped error on your Android phone.